New for 2019, completely redesigned for 2018, the 2019 Ford Expedition will likely get minimal updates that could include a new special edition model trim levels. The Expedition and long wheelbase Expedition Max are the largest and most expensive SUVs in Ford's SUV and crossover lineup, slotting above the EcoSport, Escape, Edge, Flex, and Explorer. The Expedition will likely return in the 2019 model year with the same trim levels as the 2018 model year, including the base XLT, Limited, and Platinum. Standard features on the XLT will probably carry over and include 18-inch wheels, second-row reclining, fold-flat and sliding seats, power fold and recline third-row seats, 6-way power driver's seat, rear seat climate controls, sync infotainment system with Sirius XM radio, a 9-speaker audio system, a total of 4 USB ports, 2 in the front and 2 in the second row, 15 cup holders, power adjustable pedals, a rotary gear shifter, push start ignition, a rear view camera with rear parking sensors, an SOS post-crash alert system, a black roof rack, and a Class 4 trailer hitch. The top Platinum on the 2018 model comes with 22-inch alloy wheels, an 8.0-inch touchscreen with navigation, a 12-speaker B&O audio system, a Wi-Fi hotspot, a leather-trimmed power-adjustable steering wheel, perforated leather-trimmed seating, heated and ventilated front seats, second-row power tip and slide seats, heated second-row seats, a remote start system, front parking sensors, dual 4.2-inch instrument panel displays, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, a self-parking system, adaptive cruise control with stop/go capability, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane keep alert with lane keep assist, LED headlights and taillights, power deployable running boards, and a hands-free foot-activated liftgate. Performance and fuel economy. The 2018 Expedition XLT and Limited are powered by a 375 HP, 470 lb-ft of torque 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6. The Platinum trim utilizes the same engine but tuned to produce 400 HP and 480 lb-ft. A 10-speed automatic transmission routes power to the rear wheels or to a four-wheel drive system. EPA-rated fuel economy numbers for the 2018 model range from 17/24 mpg city/highway in the rear-wheel drive regular version to 16/21 mpg in the Max model with four-wheel space and interior room. The regular Expedition can hold 20.9 cubic feet of cargo behind the third row, 57.5 behind the second row, and 104.6 with both rows folded down. The longer wheelbase Max can hold 36.0, 73.3, and 121.5 cubic feet of cargo, respectively. Technology. The 2019 Expedition's technology features won't see any major changes from the 2018 model, which includes Sirius XM radio, a 9-speaker audio system, and 4 USB ports. Sync 3 adds a larger 8.0-inch touchscreen, a navigation system, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 12-speaker B&O Play audio system, a wireless charging pad, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and a dual headrest rear seat entertainment system are optional. Interior review of the 2018 Ford Expedition Max. We enjoyed first-row luxuries including 10-way power-adjustable front seats, a power-adjustable steering wheel, heated and ventilated front seats, as well as a heated and leather-wrapped steering wheel. The second-row seats can fold flat and came leather-trimmed and heated in our tester. Accessing the third row was easy, but the bucket seats were missing armrests. The power-folding third row is roomy, has 2 USB ports, and can power recline. Driving the Expedition Max around town was easier than expected, and the big and heavy SUV is quick. We complained about some of the button and switch placements, like the auto start/stop button that's closer to the passenger, and noted that it's not difficult to accidentally put the Max in park instead of reverse when shifting gears in a rush. Overall, the Expedition Max's interior is comfortable and versatile.